What's on everybody? JVH here. Welcome back to another video. Today, guys, is opening day for Wildcat's Revenge. So it is actually towards the evening right now because I had to work today. So we're actually going to go back to Wildcat. Heard most of today, you know, the wait was like 150 minutes when it first opened, and then it dropped down to 90. Then went to 45. Right now it says it is an hour wait. So I have a couple of my friends together. We're going to go down and go ride it here for opening day. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Busy right here by Fahrenheit right now. So today is actually Friday, of course, June 2nd, and so today is actually a Music in the Parks day. So Music in the Park days are really busy days. So because it's when all school groups from band, choral, orchestra, like all the different music groups come and they spend their day at Hersheypark, so which can make the day really busy. So this, if you always plan to come during springtime or till like it runs to like the middle of June, just know on Fridays and Saturdays the park will be crowded. So just keep an eye out for that if you ever come to visit during that time. But you know, I'm definitely excited to get back on this again because going and riding it on Tuesday was really so much fun. I wish I was at Media Day yesterday, but unfortunately I had to work, so I could not be there for Media Day. Alright, so we are approaching it now. So who knows, maybe tonight, because the park closes at 8 tonight, who knows if we'll see, you know, this all lit up with the lighting package and everything, see it all lit up. I do know that the Wildcats, you know, sign has a nice special, is nice when it's all lit up at night. So we'll see about definitely trying to see if we can see this at night tonight. If not, we'll definitely come another time to get a night ride on it. Right, and of course right here we are. So it looks like right now we're not entering right here. It looks like we have to enter right over here. It looks like they have Revenge Beverages closed right now, so we're gonna head in and ride it.
Alright, I will have a chance. Come on, Nick. I'm not waiting for that.
There it goes. So like I said, now we'll actually see, you know, a bit of a queue, what the queue looks like. Still says it is an hour wait, so, which is not too terrible, like it's compared for opening day. So yeah. So it looks like we're gonna be in part of the original queue of Wildcat, which is where we're at right now. But yeah, super excited to ride this again. Like I said, it's such a great ride. It's definitely my #1 at the park now. Alright, so they just said apparently there's been a temporary delay. So right now they're delaying operation right now. So maintenance has been notified. So we're still waiting here in line, see what happens. Oh yeah, that train's been there for quite a bit. Alright, so people are now on it, so now they have resumed operation. Alright guys, so we are definitely getting closer now. join us.
My good side.
Oh, okay. There you go. Yeah, so we're finally gonna go on Wildcat for bench together, like we said. So looks like the lights are starting to go on. So maybe it'll be nice to see this at night tonight. But yeah, so there it goes.
But Mama, just do it. It's fine.
Right now they got the fans on right now. Today's like 93 today. Today's a really hot day, so they have it spraying. But yeah, they have it. Definitely was a really hot day today, so they have the fans on.
Straight guys like you that are the exact same situation. And every time, I'm just like,
We're getting closer, almost there. Alright, so we're about to approach the lockers. So eventually the stuff will have to go away, but I'll see you guys after then.
he's like, that says it all.
I noticed.
Yeah, wait, because I'm not going to leave my car in.
Alrighty guys, so we'll see you after. We're about to put our stuff in the lockers, so we'll see you right
I
after.
don't mean like a...
Alright everyone, so we just got off, so great going on with all my friends and Fritzi, it was great. This time for my second ride, we actually sat, for my second ride, we sat in the middle, around the middle section. Still just as amazing as the front row, because at the first time I sat in the second row, so basically towards the front. Eventually we'll get on the very front row, maybe in the next time, but I know definitely I would like to get in the very back, the experience on the back, because the back is really good as well. It feels like there's not a bad seat on this coaster, it's just really good. It's an amazing ride, it's like I could ride this ride probably all day, so really good.
Bless you.
Ben, what you thought of it?
This was the one of the craziest roller coasters I've ever been on in my life. Highly recommend for anyone who comes to Hersheypark. Definitely going to feel Hersheypark happy after that.
Awesome.
Yes.
Alrighty guys, so before we go, we'll get one more shot of it here. So like I said, the line has now been emptied. So like I said, because it is past park closing, let's watch it one more time.
It's just they put it on board.
sign looks like at nighttime, all lit up. So nice. Even they have the other sign, Wildcat's Revenge sign, all lit up at night down here by the garage part. So yeah, we didn't get a night ride in yet, but we'll hopefully get a night ride in soon. Like I said, the park, you know, will definitely be open from to 9 some nights, but mostly we'll be looking forward to 10 o'clock evening nights. But yeah. Alrighty everyone, well that's going to conclude our night, so I hope you enjoyed this short little vlog of us going on Wildcat's Revenge here on opening day. So like I said, it was a busy day here at Hersheypark, and so there's a lot of school groups today. It was really one of the hottest days today of the week. It was like 92, 93 today, so it really was a very hot day today. But I'm so happy that I got to end my night, of course, going on Wildcat's Revenge. I can't wait to go even more, and also to get onto some night rides this summer for Wildcat. And also, it was really nice to hang out with my friend Fritzi. We got to ride together. We'll have more rides of Wildcat's Revenge, so I love you, Fritzi. And make sure you check out her videos as well on Wildcat. But anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you are new, please like and subscribe. Till then, guys, I'm JBH, and until the next adventure, I'll see you guys real soon. See yas!